Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be lightening, toning, and root smudging Shanice's hair. If you would like to learn how, then please keep watching. Okay, so here's the box Shanice came in. She's Magic Collection Shanice Human Hair Ethnic Mannequin in 14 inches. Yes, her hair looks a little bit greasy because I did condition her hair before this lightening process. These are the sections that I'm going to be using. I've sectioned the hair off and parted it in and everything. And I'm going to start, I started in the front. So basically, I'm just going to use the process I used. Instead of having this whole video doing the entire head, I'm just going to do this one section. I take the foil, just like I do with all my other lightening videos, and applying it underneath the hair and getting the lightener as close to the scalp as possible. And then eventually I go back and then I hit the roots with the foil still attached. Now this has been working for me for quite a while. This time I've done a little something different. I've used a different lightener, a L'Oreal Quick Blue or something like that. Well, and I've started in the front. So we're going to see the results as the video continues. I mention that because I normally start in the back. So that was something I did different in this particular process. Okay, right here I'm just showing you the finished process as far as lightening the mid shaft and ends. And next, once it's processed for the processing time, I'm going to go in and hit the roots. And if I have to slide the foils down a little bit further, that's what I do. But this is how I normally lighten the hair. Okay, so I'm showing you the finished results here. You can see a couple of spots that weren't are not very even. So I'm going to try to make an effort to go back and correct that with darkening the roots. See, that's a spot right there. Apparently, maybe I should have used diluted the lightener a little bit more. I don't know, but I'm just going to go back in and I'm going to try to correct this as best as I can, and we can learn from this process together. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so I saw a video where the stylist, she was using a conditioner as a blending aid. So when you go in with color to hit the roots for a root smudge, it was supposed to blend the hair. So after this process, I think I should have used a white conditioner and a thicker conditioner. I'll have to practice with that a little bit further, but this is all I had on hand. Right here I'm just showing you the color I'm using is the darkest brown. And I'm only going to use a volume 10 with this because I only need deposit. And on the other side, I'm using my conditioner. I'm just going to put that on the side. So right now I'm just applying the permanent color, working my way from around the perimeter, and then eventually going in and doing section by section, which you'll see here. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you that after I've done the color, now I'm moving on to the conditioner. As you can see, I'm applying it just on the very ends to try to get a nice seamless blend. And I just kind of like hit that real quick, and I'm going to try to comb it through so that it'll fade nicely. Okay, so here's the completed project after I finished doing all of that, but I noticed that the ends were getting colored. I don't know. I'm going in with the lightener, and now I'm just going to lighten up the ends throughout, And this is a technique that I've done before, so I'm not unfamiliar with this. When I'm doing the root smudge, I think this is the best way, in my opinion, to keep the ends nice and splotchy free. So this worked with me before, and I'm now showing you, so maybe now you can use that knowledge when you're doing a root smudge. So yeah, this is the completed look after I've done the root smudge. As you can see, everything is nice and even, and a little bit better than the way I had it before, because it actually stained in trying to part the hair. So here is the toner that I'm going to use. It's T28 in Natural Blonde. It's done on damp hair, so as you can see here, the hair is damp. And next I'm going to go in with the application of the T28. It says use a volume 20 on damp hair. It's probably because it dilutes on damp hair. The damp hair dilutes the toner. So that's what I'm going to be applying here, and we can just observe that on the video. Okay, so here's what the hair is looking like after I applied the toner. I had to leave it in for less time than normal because the hair is very porous. Right here is the beginning of how the hair looked before. And up next, I'm going to show you how the hair looks after. As you can see here, looks a lot better and even. Okay, so initially this video was supposed to be a virgin lightening of the entire head, but it turned out to be something a little bit more complicated, and which is actually isn't actually a bad thing, because we did a root smudge. We tried something new. I'll just have to think of what I can do to improve upon this next time around. For starters, I think I'll start from the back and work my way forward, as I normally do. Secondly, with this lightener, I will use thinner sections, so I'm not accustomed to how thick this one is. So I think that may have been the issue of why I had this problem this time around. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.